बंगाल ने इस बार हर विपरीत परिस्थिति को पराजित करने का फैसला कर लिया है।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday launched a sharp attack on the Trinamool Congress government in West Bengal while announcing 6 guarantees ahead of the upcoming polls. Addressing a rally in Haldia, Modi said, "Today I assure you that BJP will act according to the constitution. Everyone will receive their rightful due, and this is Modi's guarantee." As he promised to establish rule of law, ensure transparency in governance, investigate corruption cases, act against infiltrators, and implement the 7th Pay Commission if voted to power. Accused TMC of economic mismanagement. Targeting Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, the Prime Minister accused the TMC of economic mismanagement. Haldia was once one of the major industrial centers of modern India, but in recent decades, factories here have been shuttered. People once flocked to Haldia for work, but today they are migrating to other states in search of work, he said. Pitched for double-engine government. Alleging discrimination in jobs, Modi said, "There are no factories now, only factories to bring infiltrators," and accused the state government of depriving local youth of opportunities. Pitching for a double-engine government, he said the BJP will revive the state's economy. This is an electoral battle for a Vikasit Bengal, he added, stressing that real progress requires coordination between the centre and the state. Fisheries issues in Bengal. On fisheries, Modi countered allegations by the TMC and said, "In the last 11 years, fish production has doubled in other states but not in Bengal," adding, "The TMC government is forced to buy fish from outside now." He further alleged, they either do not implement a policy with PM in it or they change the name. Law and order situation, women's safety concerns alarming. Attacking the law and order situation, Modi said, under the TMC government, nothing moves without cut money and commissions. But the BJP does not tolerate corruption or nepotism and asserted, "Sabka hisab hoga." Raising concerns over women's safety, he added, "The daughters of Bengal are unsafe while studying medicine and law," and said, "Under the TMC, there is fear. Under the BJP, there will be rule of law." With polling set to begin on April 23, the Prime Minister is leading an aggressive campaign across the state.